Hey, this is Mr. Mason, and what we're going to do in this video is work through a percent error problem. So let us start by understanding the problem itself. So the problem reads that a contractor estimated the cost of a renovation project to be $43,890. The actual cost ended up being $42,000. What is the percent error of the estimate? All right, first let's clarify what percent error actually means. Percent error is a way of comparing an estimated value to an actual value, giving us a measure of how accurate the estimate is. The formula for percent error is equal to the estimated value minus the actual value, and we take the absolute value of that result. So sometimes you're going to get a negative value, but percent error is always a positive number. So we always take the absolute value of this and divide it by the actual value. And this will give us a decimal value that we convert into a percentage by multiplying by 100. All right, so let us go ahead and substitute our values into the correct portion of the equation. So percent error is equal to the estimated value, which in this case is 43,890, minus the actual value of 42,000. And then we divide that by the actual value, which is 42,000. That's what the price ended up being for that renovation, or the cost for the renovation. And then we're going to get some decimal amount that we have to multiply by 100. All right, so let us go ahead and subtract these two numbers. That would give us $1,890. And then we're going to divide that by 42,000. All right, when you divide the numerator by the denominator, you end up getting 0.045 or 45 thousandths. Now remember, a percentage is out of 100. That is why we move the decimal point 2 places to the right, so we can read this value to the hundredths place. That's why we multiply our decimal results by 100. It will move that decimal point where it needs to be. In this case, it would go right here. So what we would say is that the percent error is equal to 4.5 or 4.5%. All right, just to summarize what we do with percent error is, remember, all we do is find the difference between the estimated value and the actual value, and we divide that difference by the actual value, and then we take that resulting decimal and multiply by 100 to convert it into a percentage, which in this case gave us a percent error of 4.5%.